Kitchen, you guys. And today we will be cooking Philly Cheesesteak Sliders. Now here are my ingredients. These are Hawaiian rolls, butter, scissors. This is a half of bell pepper and a half of medium onion. This is a steak I'll be using. This is provolone cheese, garlic powder, my favorite seasoning, parsley, and this is the brush that I'll be brushing with the rolls. Okay, right now we're gonna get started. We're gonna take a half of tablespoon of butter and put it in the skillet, and we're gonna saute the bell pepper and onion for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna cut it up on high. We're just gonna saute that for about 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Right now I'm just taking time out to cut my buns open because they're not pre-cut. You have to cut them, so wish me luck. It's not that hard to cut them. It's kind of frustrating. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. I mean, it's not no wrong or right way to do this. You're just cutting them in half so you can make a little sandwich, a little slider sandwich. It's not that hard. If you mess up, it's fine. So
what are we doing?
we're washing the steak off and about to cut it. I'm gonna show y'all how I cut it. So we just run some water over it. Yeah. Straighten the water off. And I already washed my scissors that I'm gonna cut it up with. So I just take it and I just fold it in half and cut it with the scissors. It's just easier to cut it like this. And then I fold it one more time and cut it again. And I fold it one more time. And cut it again. And that's how you get your thin slices for your sliders or your whatever you're using it for. That's how I do mine. Right now I'm just running water over the steak and just rinsing it one last time before it goes in the skillet. And I'm gonna strain the water. Okay. So now I'm just raking my bell peppers and onion into a bowl. We're gonna use the same skillet. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our steak and we're gonna season it with my favorite seasoning. See that? Just making sure I'm getting it good. Okay. Season it real good. And then we're gonna add it to our skillet. We're gonna cut it down a little bit. Put it on medium. Welcome back, you guys. At this point, the steak is done and it was juicy, so I pulled the juice off and then I cut it back up high. And now we're gonna do is add the seasoning back to the steak. And then saute it a little bit now we're done with that part. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our pan and just go over it with a little bit of butter spray, just so the rolls won't stick. Next, we're gonna place the bottom part in the pan, and we're gonna come over here. And we're gonna just add the steak to it. Just make it look good. The bread. Just spread it out. And that's how it should look when you get finished spread it out. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread out our provolone cheese. We're just gonna take it. Okay. Next, we're just gonna take the top part and cover it up. Then, I already melted my butter. That's a tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna add a little garlic powder. And I'm gonna add a little parsley. And mix it up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna brush the top of the sandwiches with it. And we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, and we'll be back. And there you have it, you guys. Philly cheesesteak sliders.